Welcome to Short Form Tech. I am your host, Kenyon Longhair, man. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for checking out the channel, man. I appreciate that, man. You love, man. Shouts out to all the sub gangs out there. Gang, gang. I appreciate that, man. Been definitely working on a lot, yo. Of course, dealing with a lot going on in my life right now, man. But I haven't forgot about you. Your boy still dropping TikTok tips out there, man. Even in a comedy club. I'm in a comedy club, fam. And comedians are asking me about TikTok. And I'm up here giving TikTok tips in the middle of a comedy club. All right, this is why I created this channel. You guys think I'm lying? Y'all think I'm capping out here. This is why I created this channel, man. So I'm super excited to announce, though, man, something I've been working on for a couple of months. It is now live, man. That's right. We are talking about my TikTok hack course, all right? Minus the hack course. It is live out there on Appsumo, man. So I definitely want to check it out, man. You know, I've been working on a course. I worked on this course maybe 2 months ago and put it out there, gave you guys some dope tips that I use to get more views. It's all about getting views, man. I ain't trying to make you go viral. Will you go viral? You might go viral, right? I ain't trying to make it go super viral, but if you do, that's dope too. But we all about getting those views, man. So we're going to bring you to the website of Appsumo here. As you can see, that is the TikTok hacks course. I'll have the link in the description below. As always, you already know what it is, man. You already know what it is, fam. But it's super cheap, man. Super cheap. You get the videos. It's not long either. I don't know. It's 10 minutes maybe. It's not long, and it's super cheap. $50, fam. Come on. $50. You want to get your TikToks up there. No one's done this. It is an entertainment course. All right. This is an entertainment TikTok course. So that's what I'm doing. It's super funny, of course, bringing what I do to TikTok in the course. All right, nothing corny. All right, nothing corny. First content creator to drop a TikTok course on TikTok on Appsumo. I'm just saying, that's me. All right, first one to forget Soldier Boy. I'm the first one to do it. So I'm the first one to do that, man. And it's super cheap, man. You get the PDF so you can see everything else I was talking about. Of course, if we deep dive into the analytics, I break down several key factors, study your niche, right? How to study other people and do what you do, right? Just get the views. I'm giving you guys my views real time. Now, at the making of this is 2 months ago. Now we already at 7 million views. 7 million views right on TikTok. We're somewhere crazy. But I definitely want to get this for the low, man. It is on Appsumo's Black Friday sale, man. So you actually get 10% off this $50, man. Straight up digital download going straight to you, fam. So if you support me, you love the channel, you support me, fam, go ahead, head over to Appsumo, man. They got some dope products on Appsumo, man. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to be a content creator. Appsumo is a website that has a bunch of no-code apps you can use in your business. You can use if you're a marketer. You can use whatever you are, man. Whatever you got going on, they got different apps that's no code. You can build your own app using these apps on Appsumo, man. So they always have deals on these kind of apps, man. So it doesn't matter what it is. Whether it be like tracking expenses, all that is different kinds of apps. Just go to Appsumo, man. But we want you to go, fam, to get this TikTok course, man. Super happy about it. It's super funny. All right, I just want to say I don't want to toot my own horn, but it's super funny, man. So hopefully you are entertained by it, but also hopefully you take the information and use it. And I just want one little small nugget. Now, you guys on this Short Form Tech channel have loved the TikTok information, so I just keep dropping it. But you guys enjoyed that content, so I just want to wrap it up in the whole course, give you some things I didn't talk about on the channel because it could be algorithmic based. So sometimes I can't go into certain things because the algorithm's not going to show it to y'all. I'm just keeping it real. So it's nothing illegal going on in here, all right? There's some secrets in here, all right? Some secrets they don't want you to know, all right? But it's nothing illegal going on, but I'm dropping those gems right now in my TikTok course, man. So I definitely want you to check it out. It's only $50. Plus you get it like a 10% off on the Black Friday sale. So super cheap because I made this channel so everybody can just take the tips and use it. Hopefully you get bigger than me on TikTok. And of course, which I'm not big at all, but hopefully you get bigger than your competitors, all right, your haters. I want you to be big. Just take these tools. Doesn't matter how old you are. This channel, this course can help you as well, and implement it in your TikTok strategy, man. So let me know if you checked out the course and you bought the course in the comments below. Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, man, see you guys in the next video.